Drive one more time. What's going on, guys? DuVision back at with another vlog. Got the G82 out today. Just got done doing the touchless car wash. They have it detailed, I want to say maybe 2 weeks ago. Like a full detail interior and exterior. So all I really had to do was just run through the touchless car wash, get all the dust off the car. But just got it all dried up. Looking nice with that new grille, front lip. Ooh, looks so much better, man. It really does. But just got her all cleaned up. Just got done drying her off right now. Today is Saturday, June 13th. Already hit the gym today. Out here in Marietta at Touchless Car Wash. Shout out to them for being the touchless wash. No brushes. But thinking about taking y'all with me to try one of the top rated chicken places out here in Georgia, or I want to say ATL, but it's really not in ATL. But we're gonna get a little POV driving there. Of course, I'll show the food off once we get there and get the order going. Shout out to USA winning their first match yesterday. I was at Grindhouse with my uncle, chopping down some burgers. Shout out to Grindhouse for always having some good burgers and shakes. But, you know, just another little vlog of owning an M4 2025 competition. I just want to bring y'all along, you know, give y'all that experience. And I'm working on the car getting PPF still. We'll be on the way much soon. I just wait on it. And then let me know what y'all think. So for sure I want to get some front canards, carbon fiber, to go along with that. I think it'll make it look really aggressive. But also, I'm not sure if we're gonna get extensions or just swap the black gloss out for carbon fiber side skirts. And that, I know they offer like extension versions of these where it comes up. I'm not sure if I want to do that carbon fiber or just get carbon fiber of the same OME style. And we're gonna be getting the M Performance wing. I might keep the little duckbill on top as well. Shark fin for the antenna will be carbon fiber. I really think that would be all. Like additional mods I'll be adding. Oh, and then the emblem, I might make this carbon fiber as well. And that would be pretty much it. But so far I'm still loving this car. Very grateful that I had the opportunity to own the car like this at such a young age. This thing's been a truly blessing to own. And I mean, yeah, putting in the hard work, discipline is going to get you there, but also, you know, taking care of people. God is going to reward you with things that He believes that you should owe. And honestly, if you feel like you're not getting it at the right time, maybe it's because He knows it's not the right time for you to own it. So that's probably why He's holding it out for you, before you could do something like, I won't say crazy, but just something that you're just not fully ready for. That'll cause more destruction in your life. So just trust the process, keep faith in your life, and you know, just enjoy the moments for what it is. Try not to dwell too much on the past. Try not to focus too much on the future. Just really control what you can and keep your mind to that. But you already know the vibes, guys. Enough a little chit chat. Gonna get a little drive there. I mean, overall, I think it's a 40-minute drive, so I'm not gonna make y'all sit through all of that. It'll be like little pulls and clips every now and then. But let's go ahead and hop in the driver's seat. Get our video started, yeah? Alright, guys. So we're in the driver seat of the rocket ship. We I get the drive going. I'm parched, man. I need to get some water. I hit the gym already. Came here. I mean, I had a little water at the gym, but I haven't had breakfast. It's just gonna be like my little reward to myself. So they're coming out fast. 76 degrees. Does not feel like 76 degrees outside though. Feel much warmer. Inside the AC blowing just so we get the car a little cool down and inside. But I hope everyone had an amazing second week of June. Mine was a little chaotic due to some work stuff, but we were able to make it through. We survived the week. That's all that matters. The fact that we're blessed with another day today, or we are blessed with another day. That's all that matters. But life is good. I'm just grateful for everything I have, honestly. Go automatic mode. Like I said, it's a 30-minute drive, so I don't know if I'm gonna fully like vlog it, like the whole drive. I'm probably gonna do like bits and pieces. Like we're probably gonna be doing a jump skip pretty soon because I'm just in city traffic right now. But there's gonna be like little bits and pieces of me on the way there. Of course, I gotta show the food once we get there, and smash that, give my thoughts, my ratings, and then probably head back home. I was invited to a little kickback today, so I might be going to that. And get ready for this next upcoming week. Well, man, I haven't been really able to hit the gym as much lately just due to work. But you gotta... Oh, someone tagged something. I don't even know how people do that. Like this radar tech has so many features. I just know it works really well against cops that have laser guns on or something to like track you on how fast you're going. It picks it up as long as they have something on. Now if the cop is just sitting there, then you're cooked. But you could kind of fight it because he doesn't have proof of how fast you're going. But I digress. Overall, let's stop away. Pinging that right there. No, Mario is really nice. I really like some of the houses out here. I think we took the road. There's going to be a house on our left coming up, possibly. Yeah, I think it's like a really dope house. But overall, I'm going to get back into the gym. Going to get my calories back up. Protein, carbs. I mean, I'm not too worried, mainly because I've been training for like 6, maybe 7 years, and no pun intended. But it's really easy for me to get the muscles back on. It's just it's really, I think a lot of people say 75-25 split. 75. Nah, I think it's more like 50-50, honestly. Gotta go to the gym, but you gotta make sure you eat and get your calories in, because if not, you're gonna lose muscles regardless. Because what happens is when you work out, you're destroying your muscle fibers. But if you eat enough, when it repairs itself, it'll have the nutrients to where you double the muscles of the tissue, right? But if you don't eat enough, what's happening is, yeah, you're putting on a little muscle, but then when your body's hungry because you're not getting no calories in, it's gonna eat a little. It's gonna chip at those muscles that you're pretty much putting on. So it's like you're making 2 steps forward, but then maybe 2 or 3 steps backwards. You know, there's this house right here. This one's fire. Windows go crazy. Look at that side view though, the basement. I already know I have like a dope man cave in there. Turbos, baby. Try it one more time. Shout out to daily driven Porsche. Yeah, this car is so fun to drive, man. So fun. Really excited to try this spot out though. It's supposed to be like one of the top chicken spots, so we'll see. It's like, cause at first I didn't know what I wanted to eat. And then I saw this one. I think one of my buddies talked about going to this spot too as well. And I was thinking, I was like, shit, might as well just go ahead, throw the camera on, make some content today. Take y'all with me, see what they got. I think it's like Korean fried chicken. With that truck up there. I was looking at that CA and I had to see the truck swerve. I'm curious who's in this car right here. If it's like an actual undercover or just someone that bought the car. I don't know. Crazy, it says 9 more miles, which doesn't look big, but it's just like, look what we have in front of us. I think I'm gonna do a little jump skip for y'all though. I don't want to gamble that car behind me, to be honest. So I'm gonna knock out this last 9 miles, and we'll be back. All right, just made it to the spot. Can I zoom in? Kimchi bread. Oh, we can zoom in. That's crazy. But yeah, just made it to the spot. Finna run inside right quick, order some food, and see how it is. I normally do reverse park, but I went to see the grill when I'm inside eating. Go ahead. Buy some. Then we got the M4. Just chilling. Alright guys, and that's pretty much it. I'm not a big food vlogger type of person, so view wise I'm not gonna go too much in depth, but overall it was really good. It was pretty fire. As you saw it, it looked really good. Once again, the spot is called Kimchi Red, so check them out. They're not too bad. But other than that, I'm gonna go ahead, head back to the city, head back home, rest up for a little bit. Like I said, I got a little cake back that I'm gonna hit up a little bit later. So I kind of want to relax before that happens and have a little of my own me time. But other than that, guys, I appreciate y'all. Really like the momentum we've been having for these past few weeks. Shout out to all the new subscribers and the return subscribers. Other than that, y'all enjoy the rest of y'all Saturday, and I'll see you on the next vlog.